The Law Society of Kenya on Monday attempted to storm the parliament after it had threatened to occupy the buildings from entry by parliamentarians who it said have ceased exercising delegated legislative power on behalf of the people of Kenya. Armed policemen and women took cover for the better part of the day, ready to engage their learned friends in possible battles. After stiff negotiations, 4 representatives from LSK and the United Green Movement Kenya were allowed into the buildings to petition speakers and clerks of both houses, speakers who are, however, unavailable.
Parliament is law-abiding. We follow the law. The same constitution that gave powers to the Chief Justice to advise the President is the same law, the same constitution will go back to appeal and seek relief. And I was assuring them that to that extent, we really are unable to say members should not work.
After an hour-long meeting with the clerk, led by LSK President Nelson Harvey and UGM Secretary General Jonathan Mweke, the group maintained that Moraga's advisory to President Kenyatta to dissolve Parliament was unavoidable and mandatory.
We have told the clerk of the National Assembly that effective today, Parliament is illegitimate. Any person who until today was an elected member of the National Assembly or the Senate has ceased being an elected member. He or she is a trespasser. And Kenyans must realize that these statements we're making are not idle statements. These are statements based upon the propulsion of the law. The Constitution of Kenya must count for something, or it will be for nothing.
Constitution under Article 2.3 indicates that it cannot be subject of challenge. Its legality or its authority cannot be challenged in a court of law.
LSK further emphasized that Parliament as currently constituted is illegal and therefore cannot transact any business, including state appointments vetting.
It is clear under our Constitution that Parliament is unlawful. What that means that any business they transact is illegal. Any person they vet into office will be holding that office illegally. Any budget they pass and money that is spent will be spent illegally. And we told the clerk that this is a mistake that is too expensive to make.
Be completely unadvised for Parliament to continue with business such as appointments while it remains unlawful, and it's unlawful not because of the dissolution pending, but because it is composed in violation of Articles 27(8) and 81(b). And that's an independent matter that is not before any court.
The Parliament has since secured a court order to temporarily bar the President from dissolving the two houses, but agreed to respect the outcome of the court ruling on the matter. The Law Society of Kenya maintains that the Parliament must be dissolved regardless of a court order, saying the Constitution of Kenya cannot be challenged in a court of law. Giverson Minor, K24, Nairobi.